Hey, art students. Hope you guys are doing well. I think it's really funny hearing about all the people who are giving themselves haircuts or giving their siblings haircuts or parents haircuts or parents are giving them haircuts. How's your hair doing? If you've got funky hairdos, show me a picture. Maybe that'll be our Flipgrid for this week. My best buddy gave her husband a haircut, and that was really interesting. And now I'm seeing on Instagram all sorts of people giving each other haircuts. So these are strange times. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. I'm just going to walk you through what you're going to do for today. Today, Tuesday, April 21st, 2020, you are going to upload your Art of Play evidence, meaning you've collected photos, um, film footage, Google Doc showing the process of what you did for your Art of Play. Just so for instance, it's really hard for me to understand what you did if you just send me a photograph of like a cookie or just a photograph of a croissant roll. So I want to see the process, like you from the beginning, middle, and end of making something, creating something, building something. So I know that you made it in this present time. I've seen a few photos of just like finished things, which are great, but I do need to see that you are doing things like now and not something that you've done months ago, years ago, but present. Okay, so make sure if you're looking at your photo and you're saying, man, I could see how someone might not understand that I made this. That means you need to provide a little bit more documentation, a few more photos, just showing me the process. Because unfortunately, I'm not there to work with you, which I really miss. But um, please make that simple for me so I have no questions. Otherwise, I've got to leave a little blank spot in the grade book and I have to email you and we have to talk about it. And that's no fun. So make it really crystal clear for me what you've been doing through the process of your Art of Play activity. I'm not asking a lot. Maybe it'll be 3 photos instead of 1, for instance. Okay, so there's that. I would also like you to check out today the slideshow that I've added onto our day's assignment in the stream. It's going to show you all the different cool varieties of activities you guys did for the Art of Play last week, so you can kind of see what everyone's up to. There's a lot of funny, interesting things that you guys are getting busy with, so that's cool. Also, check out the Flipgrid link that I'm going to attach to today's stream assignment as well. Some of those Flipgrids were approved last week, so you got to see them. Some of them are just approved now for this week, so now they're all up and ready. If you forgot to add your Flipgrid, please take a minute to do so. I will be checking on those. It was really good to see your guys' faces. I miss you so much, and I hope that you guys are staying healthy and safe wherever you are, and I hope that you're not driving your mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, brother, sister, whoever you live with nuts. um, anyways, I think that's all we've got for today. Art of Play upload. Make sure you've got a good amount of evidence that shows me the process, not just the finished piece, the process. Okay. And then secondly, check out the slideshow that shows a bunch of students' Art of Play activities that they shared with me last week. And then lastly, check out Flipgrid because it's really fun to see your guys' faces. I'm sure you're missing each other, and it's just kind of neat to see you guys in your little moment of fame. You know, how you choose to use that minute and a half is pretty funny. So take a minute to check out those things, just to reconnect with your peers a little bit in a very distant way. If you have any questions, as usual, just shoot me an email, or if you want to have a face-to-face Google Hangout meet like this, also send me an email requesting that, and we can get that set up for you. Happy Tuesday. Have an awesome, awesome day.